Good evening, students. I am Hamid Hussain. Welcome to my channel, Hamid Hussain Tutorial. Okay, so if you want get whole syllabus of 10th class, kindly subscribe and share my channel. Okay, and please like the video. Okay, so today we will discuss arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? It is a list of number in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number. Okay, each term is obtained by adding a fixed number. Okay, and that is called common difference. Okay, and always remember it may be positive, negative, or zero. Okay, this common difference can be positive, negative, or 0. So there is a series of number a1, a2, a3, and so on. Okay, so common difference will be the difference between two consecutive terms. Okay, so common difference a2 minus a1 or a3 minus a2 or a4 minus a3. Okay, a3. So or if there is a series of number, so 2, 5, 8, 11, we can easily say the difference between two consecutive terms is same as that is 3. So this is in arithmetic progression. The first term will called first term, and the difference between two consecutive term will called common difference. Okay, and that is also called D. Common difference is called common difference is termed as D. So the here D will be 5 minus 2 equals to 3, or 8 minus 5 equals to 3. Okay, so if there is a series of number a1, a2, so a3, and so does n. So the first term is a1, the last term is an, and number of terms a, and the common difference is the difference between two consecutive terms, that is a2 minus a1, or a3 minus a2, or a4 minus a3, or you can write an minus 1. Okay, a net term minus the just preceding term. Okay, there will be two types of arithmetic progression. One is the finite arithmetic progression, in which the number of terms will be limited or finite, or there may be infinite arithmetic progression. Okay, so now we will solve some questions. So example 1. In the example 1 they have given, for the arithmetic progression 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 1 by 2, and so on. So you have to write the first term a and the common difference d. Okay, so what will the first term? 3 by 2. And what will the common difference? 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2, or minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, you will get minus 1. So that is too much easy. The next example 2. Which of the following list of a number from an AP? If they are from an AP, write the next two terms. Okay, so first of all we will check that the difference between two consecutive terms is fixed number or not. If the difference between two consecutive terms is fixed, then they are in AP, and then we can easily write the next two terms. Okay, the first question: 4, 8, 4, 10, 16, 22, and so on. So 10 minus 4, 6, 16 minus 10, 6, 22 minus 16, 6. It means these terms are in AP, and we can easily write the next term: 4, 10, 16, 22. So D is a 10 minus 4 equals to 16 minus 10 equals to 22 minus 16 equals to 6. So we can easily add the next term. This one a first term, second term, third term, fourth term. We have to write fifth term. Fifth term will be fourth term plus common difference as 22 plus 6. Okay, this will become 28. Okay, the next term will be 28 plus 6 equals to 34. That we have already discussed, that the common difference equals to an minus 1. Okay, so nth term will be next term plus common difference. This is the formula for the finding nth term when we are knowing just preceding term and common difference. Okay, so next question. 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2. It means they are in arithmetic progression, and the next two term will be minus 7 and minus 9. Next question. Minus 2 2 minus 2 2 minus 2 2 minus 2 0 minus 2 minus 2 4. So there is no common difference. If there is no common difference, so they are not in AP. Next, 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 2 minus 1 1 2 2 minus 2 0. So there is no common difference, so they are not in AP. Okay, now come to exercise 5.1. First question. In which of the following situation does the list of the number involved make an arithmetic progression, and why? So the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So for each additional kilometer a fixed quantity is added. So this is an arithmetic progression. So always remember, if the fixed quantity is added in the next term, then that will be an arithmetic progression. Okay. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump remove 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So in this, no fixed quantity is removed in additive manner. Okay, so this is not in arithmetic progression. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it cost rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. So if it is increasing or decreasing in the additive manner, so or by a fixed quantity, so they will be in AP. So this term is in arithmetic progression. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 110,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. So in compound interest, not a fixed quantity is increased, but although it is increased in the compound manner. So this cannot be in arithmetic progression. Okay. Next, write the first term of the AP. Okay. Write the first 4 term of the AP. You can easily write when the first term A and the common difference D are given as. Okay. So that is too much easy. First term A equals to 10, next D equals to 10. So I have already told you to finding the next term, that an equals to an minus 1 plus D. So a first term will be 0. Okay, this is the first term. We have to find the second term. So second term will be the first term plus common difference equals to 20. Third term will be second term plus common difference, that will be 30. The fourth term will be third term plus common difference, that is 40. Okay. Our second question is little bit interesting. In this, the first term is minus 2 and common difference is 0. So the next term, second term will be first term plus common difference, that is minus 2. Third term minus 2 plus 0 equals to minus 2. fourth term will be minus 2 plus 0, that is minus. So in this you will get the same number because the common difference is 0. So if common difference 0, obviously all term will be the same. Okay, okay, we will try to solve a question in which they have given the common difference negative quantity. Okay, third question. First term is 4 and common difference is minus 3. So next term will be first term plus common difference. It will become 4 minus 3 become 1. The next term or third term will be the second term plus common difference. 1 minus 3 become minus 2. Next term, the third term plus common difference equals to minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. So the series will be 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 5 and so on. Okay. Third question. For the following APs, write the first term, that is very easy, 3, and the common difference. You have to just find the difference between two consecutive terms. Next, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write the 3 more terms. Okay, so just you have to find whether the common difference is similar or not. If the common difference is same, then they are in AP as 2, 4, 8, 16. 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 4, 4. 16 minus 8, 8. So there is no common difference. So this is not in AP. In this, you can see, yes, this is in AP. How? 5 by 2 minus 2, half. 3 minus half, 5 by 2, half. 7 by 2 minus 3, half. So this is an AP. In this, minus 3.2 minus 1.2. So you will get 2. There is a common difference of minus 2. Here, minus 5.2 minus 3.2 minus 2 minus 7.2 minus 5.2 common difference. So common difference is 2. So next two terms will be, you have to just add minus 2 in each term. Okay. Next, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, minus 2. So minus 6 minus 10, 4. Minus 6 minus minus 10. We will get 4. Minus 2 minus minus 6, 4. 2 minus minus 2, 4. So common difference is 4 and the first term is minus 10, and you can easily write the next 3 more terms. You have to just only 4. The next term will be 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 4, 14 and so on. Okay. You can easily solve all these questions. If you will get any doubt or any confusion, you can contact me. Okay, or you can write in the comment section. Okay, so all these questions are very easy. Add this question. So 1 1s are 1, 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25. Obviously this is not in AP because the common difference is not same. Okay, so don't be confused. The next point is how to find nth term. Okay, if they have given you the first term and if they have given you the last term, then you can find the nth term. Okay, the one method is by finding next and next and next term, so you can find. Okay, and there is a direct formula. N equals to A plus n minus 1 into d, where n equals to nth term, a equals to first term, n equals to number of term, and d is common difference. Okay, so you can find the nth term. If they have given us some term and they have say you have to find 6 term, 7 term, 8 term, 10th term, 1000 term. As example 3, find the 10th term of the AP 2, 7, 12. Okay, example 3, find the 10th term of AP of 2, 7, 12 and so on. So first term is 2, common difference is 7 minus 2 equals to 5, number of term will be 10, so 8, 10 will be first term plus n minus 1 into common difference, or 2 plus n minus 1, 10 minus 1 into common difference is 5, or 2 plus 10 minus 1, 9, 9 5 is 45, 45 plus 2, 47. So the 10th term of this AP will be 47. Okay, next example 4, which term of the AP 20, here is the question, which term of the AP 21, 18, 15 is minus 81, also is any term 0, give reason for your answer. Okay, so we'll check whether there is a term 0 or not. Okay, or which term. So example number 4, this series is 21, 18, 15 and so on. Okay, and it has gone up to minus 81, so we have to find this one, which term is minus 81, and if there is a term of 0, then we have to find which number will come. Okay, so we know the first term, we know the common difference, we know the nth term, so can we find the n? We know the formula, nth term goes to a plus n minus 1 into d, so we know this value. First term is 21, number n minus 1 into common difference is 18 minus 21, this will become minus 3. Okay, this is an addition, so this will be in subtraction. 81 minus 21, this is a multiplication. Okay, n minus 1 into 3, so 81 minus 21, oh sorry, this is minus 81, so minus 81 minus 21, 1 plus 1 2, and 8 plus 2 10, 102, so minus 102, this is in the multiplication, so this become in division, n minus 1, so minus and minus will get cancelled, and 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, so n minus 1 equals to 34, or n equals to 34 plus 1 equals to 35th, so the 35th term will be the minus 81. Okay, next is whether we have to find whether any term is okay, we'll just take any term equals to 0, so n minus 1, sorry, n term equals to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Okay, so this is 0, first term is 21 plus n minus 1 into common difference is minus 3. So this will become minus 21. This will come in the division minus 3 was to n minus 1. 3 7 is 21. So n minus 1 equals to 7, or n equals to 7 plus 1 equals to 8. Okay, so 8 term will be 0. Okay, in the next video we will try to solve some question which is based on the sum of the first nth term of an AP. The formula is S equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, where n is the number of term, a is the first term, d is the common difference. Okay, and there is a special case that we'll see later. That okay, you can easily special case for which sum of first n positive integer. Sum of n positive integer equals to n into n plus 1 divided by 2, because a will be 1 and d will be the 1. Okay, so if for this sum of first n positive integer. Okay, this is the okay. So if you want to get whole syllabus, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Okay, and share it with your all friends. Thanks for watching.